everybody, today I'll be showing you how to do your custom M1s in Dash in JJS Skill Builder. So let's begin with this process to show you how to. First steps is to go into build mode. If you're on computer, you can just press M. If you're on mobile, you go here, you press on this X bar, you go to players, you click on your username, then you press free build. So now if you go into your character, you can go to, oh no, I forgot, I didn't add M1 to this one. Let me just go to, now when you're here, you would like to spawn a character block, then you add a not gate, then you go to your character block, you put in an ID, then you go into your not gate, then you put the output ID to the ID that you put to your character block. Now when you do your character, you have, let's do Dash first. You want to put the cooldown to whatever you want, reasonable. Then you put the name to Dash. Then you go to edit. Then you put these settings for velocity. Okay, now you want to add an animation of some sort. See, I added crushing rush down animation. And if you want, you just can copy this code to put a dash sound. Then you just want to, at the end of all of it, you want to just put the wait timer of 0.7 seconds. So that's for the dash. Now, if you want the M1, you first of all have to go to make a M1 thing, name it M1. Then you go to edit. Then first of all, you want to add an animation. Well, you're supposed to do an M1 animation. Well, I added a staff uppercut animation. Then you want to add a melee trail with these settings. With the color, you can do anything you want. Here's the settings. The capacity you want to put to 0.5. Then the time you want to put to 0.35. And you want to put it to one of the arms of the animation. If it's both arms, you just want to copy that and put on both arms. Then you will add a 0.3 rate. Then you want to add a hitbox. Press stun animation. Then you put on blockable. Then you take off single targets, because that's just, you always have to turn that off. Only then you set your certain amount of damage that you want it to be. Then you go to this no M1 at the where is this? State. You put no M1. You put the time to 0.6. Then you want to copy that. You put no jump and put this to 0.38. Then you want to add a branch called hit. Then you want to go up to this part and add the thing called hit. Then you add a 0.16 weight. Then you go to a branch called hit. Then you go to the glow. You want to copy these settings. You can put the glow to any color, but it's usually just white. Then you put the capacity to 0.8. Then you put it on human root part. Then that's all the settings. Then you go back to default. Then you go to branch. Then you go to a branch. Then you put the last hit. You see, last hit is like that. You want to remove it and put it to 1. And how you do make a third M1 or second M1, I'm not going to showcase the Down Simon update because I do not know how to. But I'm just going to help you with the velocity and everything. You want to go to this part. Then you want to press the scissors. Then you want to go to another M1. You name it M12, but I already made my M12, so We're gonna name this M3. You're gonna edit. Then you're gonna press this there. Then you want to change up the animation to anything you want. See, I just would like to put my to Gojo's second M1. Then you add your sound. Then you add your sound here. And it's just the same thing. Then you go to... And let me help you with the fourth M1. The fourth M1, yeah, it's going to be a bit hard, but not really. You want to put your copy there, but you want to keep all of this. But once you want to take a velocity block, you want to put it by the hitbox, because when you hit, then you want to put on time. You don't do any time. Last hit to 1. You put on ragdoll to 4. But let me just double check quickly. So do not put this in yet. I need to double check if this works. Okay, I've got the right settings. So what you're supposed to do, you go to your fourth M1, then put the velocity. Then this is how far you want to send them. Then you put the last hit to, then you put the ragdoll to 4. That's how you're supposed to do it. You put it to 4. Then you don't want to do anything with the dot. You want to set this to like 25 for it to work. You want to set it to 25. Then you want to just spawn a dummy. So you reset yourself. You spawn a dummy. Then you go. Look, these are my custom M1s. Then the fourth M1. See, it hits them. It throws them away. Well, guys, that shall be the end of the video for the tutorial how to make your custom M1 and dash. So I hope this is helpful, you guys. Bye.